Hello everyone, this is VVS Stream. In this video, I am going to show what is Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller and how to start a basic program with it. An Arduino Uno R3 is a microcontroller. Actually, already I have done a video on what is an Arduino and what are the components in it. Look in the previous videos posted by me. Okay, in the types of or three, there are different types. Many types are considered, but the process is similar. It consists of several input pins and output pins, and then a microprocessor which control whole unit. The SparkFun board, Redboard, generic, the price of the price of the components and the price of the microcontroller vary depend upon the components used in the microcontroller. Arduino, is a cheap microcontroller available. Basic connection for a microcontroller. The microcontroller needs an DC input of Vin of 9 volt to 12 volt as shown here, and then regulated 5 volt in the 5 volt pin consists of 3 ground 1, 2 and 3, and here an USB of 5 volt can be connected to one CPU computer, and 9 volt to 12 volt input can be given in as DC through this plug, and via connecting this, the Arduino gets powered and the program inside this Atmel processor works. Okay, pins of Arduino. Now this consists of the power pins. This ground 5 volt Vin are the power pins as we have seen in the previous slide. It consists of SCL and STA used for serial communications, and TX0 RX0. This is also for serial communication such as Bluetooth communication, and digital pins from 0 to 13. They act 0 1 act as both serial and digital pins, and 6 analog pins. Types of pin. Analog and digital are different in magnitude. Like this, analog travels from 0 to 1024. See, that is, this is 0, this is 1024. Assuming this 0, 10, 20, 30 for this, like this, go on and reach the 1024, and 0, this is minus 1024 and plus 1024. The digital has only two value, high or low. So now this is low and this is high of some value, that is 2 volt. This is high of some value 3 volt, this is high 5 volt. Like this, the voltage varies uh, according to the pulse width modulation technique. It is an greater versions of digital signal. Normally and digital signal consists of low or high input. This is low, this is high. Let's see more about pulse width modulation in the upcoming videos. The both analog and digital can be both read or written. That means a microcontroller, this is the Arduino microcontroller, and this are the digital pins and these are the analog pins. It can read and write, both can read and write. The read operation reads the value from the external input to this microcontroller, and digital read also does the same thing. The analog read reads the value from 0 to 1024 as mentioned earlier, and the digital pin reads the value as 0 or 1, that is low or high. So an analog is used for detecting a sensor, and digital is used for detecting the presence of the object, that is the button is pressed or not. For analog is that what is the temperature, that is 0 to 10 degree, 20 degree and 30 degree Celsius. We cannot use the analog pins for digital, that means temperature in digital. The digital gives the output as temperature is present or temperature is not. If we connect it in analog pin, it gives the value of temperature varying from 30 to 40 degree depending upon the room temperature. And then write. Analog writes the value to the external pins connected to the microcontroller. The digital also does the same. The difference is digital lights, for example, taking up an LED, digital lights up an LED 5 volt, it gives 5 volt. But analog lights up, in analog, we can vary the value as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In analog write, we should use 0 to 225. Note the value 0 to 225 is the value given in analog write, and so Analog value varies from 0 to 1024 depending upon the 225 value, like a sine wave. So if we set the value as 100, the medium value of light is detected from the LED, emitted from the LED. And if we see in digital, only low or high is used. Low means 0, high means 5 volt. Programming in Arduino IDE. To upload a program in Arduino Uno R3, we need an Arduino IDE software, which is free and open source. You can get it the Arduino software in arduino.cc. Just search an Arduino IDE, download in the browser, or copy the link in this website, from this website, and download and install the software available. They are both for Linux and Windows. After installing, extract the zip file. If you do not have the extractor for zip file, download WinRAR or WinZip. Just open the Arduino IDE and plug and play. Don't need of additional drivers. It is an easy microcontroller which can be programmed easily. It is based on C, a basic program. An Arduino program is not a big problem. If you have a knowledge about computer and small logical thinking, you are in the line. Now we are going to write a program to display hello world. Okay, void setup. Void setup sets a pin output or input for the following microcontroller. That means on uploading the program, void setup with a function and the brackets mentions the pin to be output or input or serial begin or serial begin for serial communications. And void loop sets the command and runs the code inside the loop continuously until you break it or reset the program manually using the reset button in the Arduino microcontroller. Program to display hello world. Void setup. See, now we need to set up a pin or set up a serial function to do a program. In this case, we are setting up on serial.begin 9600. Here 9600 is the baud rate for the program. The baud rate can be varied depending upon the sending and receiving packets for the microcontroller. Void loop mentions the program which should be run completely. Inside void loop, serial.println hello world is printed. On com- on printing this value, the hello world is printed. Actually, this prints the value hello world and it's go on completing. So we have to initialize a delay in it. That means delay for a second of 1 second. In order to initialize a delay, we can use this command delay and bracket 1000. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos on Arduino and more problems on Arduino, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.